beautiful Providence, Utah on this nice sunny day. Let's go inside and see if they got anything new for us today. These shovel signs are new. And then like this swag broom thing. I haven't seen that before either. New this year. Look at these cute little gnomes, guys. Aren't they adorable? How precious. And then I have to show you, look at these. Look at the little fox. And the squirrel and the hedgehog. And the raccoon. Oh my goodness, can you guys stand it? How freaking adorable are those? Look at how cute these beads are. The sunflowers and the pumpkins. And the really pretty fabric. I think I see a gnome. It's ribbon. Look at how pretty this ribbon is. Guys, look at the one with the pumpkins. And then these paper craft kits. Look at that. So it makes like a little display. And then that one makes a pumpkin. We have the tins. Harvest blessing. Autumn is calling. Happy harvest. These cute beaded signs. The gnome is cute, but these are great for repurposing. And speaking of signs, look at how gorgeous that laser cut one is. And then they have these really pretty little mini wreaths. There's an acorn, pumpkin, a leaf, and gnomies. Avert your eyes, Taco Patty. And then one of my new favorite things are these burlap stickers. Look at those. Those ones are my favorite. And then look at these signs, guys. So falling leaves, give thanks, pumpkin patch. And then autumn, harvest blessings. It looks like a pumpkin. And then behind that one, sorry guys, welcome, gather together. Got those, some tabletop decor. Those are new. And speaking of new, we have some gnome picks. And look out, Taco Patty, it's more gnomes. Little gnome ornaments. And then what do I spy down here? Super cute scarecrow chair cover. How adorable is that, guys? How gorgeous these wreath hangers are with the bicycle and the sunflower and the pumpkin. Perfect for fall. Hopefully it'll be here sooner than later because it's flipping hot here. Got the rugs. Hello Fall with the red truck. Gather here. And then we got the signs. Farmer's Market. Pumpkin pie. And look. So something just like that at Hobby Lobby. Autumn welcome. I want to show you guys, look at these. Super cute, but I want to show you, look at that. Like a paddle. Farm fresh pumpkins, pick your own. And that one's my favorite pumpkin patch, 5 cents a pound, you pick. I'll show you guys, they redid the fall stickers. Look at how gorgeous those are. Look at the little bunny. Aren't they beautiful? Love me some stickers. I'm really digging these window clings. Look at how pretty they are. Be really great for crafting this year, guys. I think this pillow, this little mini pillow to hang up is new. Home sweet home with the gnomies. Got some Halloween leather. How cool is that? Not exactly sure what you're going to do with Halloween leather. Love to hear your thoughts. Halloween gnomies. For all you gnomie fans. Look at these fun bottle brush trees. Looks like candy corn. And glitter. And then if you want to do some more, they have the Happy Halloween. They have the tree collars. There's some more other tree collars. Trick or treat, and I put a spell on you. And now you're mine. The hocus pocus there, y'all. We got the paper plate craft kits here too for Halloween. Got some new Halloween stickers. How cute are those? Those look kind of bougie. With the faux wood and the gold trim and the cream. I really like those. New candle holders. Kind of fun. Live your best life. Be the best you can be. Positive vibes only. Oh my goodness, you guys. They got wall posters. That brings me back to my childhood and my teenage years. Anybody else have like a bazillion wall posters up at their house? Comment down below. What posters did you have? Kind of curious. I gotta point out this new magnet. You are magical with the mushrooms. I think mushrooms are gonna have a moment, y'all. See this CoverGirl Compact Foundation. Full Spectrum Matte Ambition All Day Powder Foundation. Sadly not in my colors. Look at these Kiss Fantasy Gel Nails. Perfect for the fall. These new makeup bags, they're tie-dye. Purple, blue, pink. And then there's some new ones with flamingos. How cute. What else we got? Dreamer. Good vibes. Love. Laugh. Loving the flamingos.